Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Shaikhain, a YouTube channel working for the betterment of society, and I am Saeed Shaikh. In this episode, we shall discuss and guide you again as to how to prepare for one of the most expected and important interview questions, whereas for more questions of job interview, keep on watching our upcoming videos. You know, preparing answers in advance for these common interview questions would bring you several steps closer to securing that job. Today's question is, do you have any questions for me? Do you have any questions for me means for the interviewer. Before moving further, I shall strongly advise you that in order to grasp a better understanding of this video, to watch our earlier videos of job interview guide from episode number 1 to episode number 9 in English, and in Urdu from episode number 1 to episode number 6. Remember, there are two things worth spending time on in advance for the interview. One is the behavioral interview questions, and the other one would be interview questions for the interview. Asking questions to the interviewer, especially when you are invited to ask questions, demonstrates your enthusiasm and preparedness for the role. Just keep this very thing in your mind before you work out suitable question or questions for the interview. It's important that you use the interview as an opportunity to find out if this said role or the job is right for you or other way around, and as to how this role and the working environment suits you and your ambitions for changing the job. Employer would be keen to hire a candidate who has a better skill to interact, to present himself or herself, and to speak out what is really relevant here, and who not only deserves but is also keen to take up the role it is offering with professional interest. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, here important is that interviewer has given you an opportunity to speak out what is in your mind. So work out that carefully in order to find out more about the job, about the JD, about the positioning, reporting function, employer's working environment, career path, etc., etc. And your question should really be pertinent and should reflect your professional pursuance towards your career path. I shall recommend to evaluate your questions carefully, and whatever you work out your pertinent questions, either one or more, gauge it well, sum it well, and ask the question very, very well. So confidently and in such a manner that an employer having no choice except to mark a big tick on your resume, and best of luck.